Hi guys, it's Chanel and we're back with another video. Today I decided to record my natural soft glam everyday makeup look. I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do and I decide to put myself together a little bit, this is usually the routine that I go by. So if you're looking to replicate these results at home, or you just like watching these makeup videos like I do, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All products will be linked in the description. If you struggle with filling in your brows or you're just starting out, do not skip the step where you carve them out with the concealer. It really helps fix your mistakes and gives them that crisp, polished look that we're going for. And to me, highlighting them on both the top and the bottom kind of mimics the look of when you first get them waxed and how that area is kind of light afterwards. I don't know if it rips off the skin. I don't know, but I really like that look. And to me, it makes them look even more natural. My two favorite brands at the moment are Too Faced and Maybelline Fit Me. The Too Faced concealer is just thick enough so that you don't need a lot, but not too thick so that it creases. That I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of you. Damn. Look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you been. I was just like, I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I know what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you're doing too much and you don't. But when I know when you try to hold on to my attention, won't you let it go? Today I'm going to be using a darker shade foundation to do my contouring. It doesn't really matter what type of product you use to contour, as long as you start with a cream, go over with a powder, and as long as that cream is darker than your actual skin tone, it doesn't matter. It works the same. And the thinner consistency of the foundation actually helps it to glide on better. So there's a plus. I know currently there are 1,000,001 ways to contour your nose, so I'm a little basic, forgive me. I just do the lines down the bridge. It's worked for me for years, and I usually just go for a really natural look. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. And just look at how easy that foundation was able to be blended out. That's why I love using a liquid foundation opposed to the wax sticks. When you are having to blend too much in order for it to look natural, you are compromising the coverage of your foundation. And we definitely don't want to do that, especially if you're dealing with acne or acne scars, anything you want to cover like I am. We want to keep that coverage of that foundation. We want that foundation to stay where it's at. So the less we have to blend, the better. And before I go in with any eyeshadow, I go ahead and prime my lid with some more of that Too Faced concealer. It really helps any colors that you put on your lid to really bind
and it gives you a cleaner surface to work with if you have darker eyelids or dark circles. I don't always do eyeshadow for my everyday makeup, but I figured I'd do a natural brown lid today for the video. It helps to add a little more color to those eyelids since we kind of washed them out with the concealer, but not too much color. We don't want the dark circles again. Now I'm going to set the creams on my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is really key for your makeup lasting hours without having to always use a setting spray. I know setting sprays, especially the matte ones, they can be a little drying. And just sometimes you don't feel like wetting your entire face before you head out the door, or you don't have time. So that's why I love the powders. Liquid and cream is really easy to come off or be sweated off, so you always want to go in with a powder on top of that to kind of absorb any of that moisture or any potential sweat you may have throughout the day. Also, if you have naturally oily skin, it gets rid of any shininess you may get from the liquid, and it kind of gives you like a really soft, blurred filter in real life look. I love it. I use 2 different powders to set my highlight and my contour, and then I use a third powder, the coconut shade, just to blend all of those colors together. The key to any soft glam or natural look is not using too much product and making sure we're really blending those colors together. We don't want any harsh lines or harsh colors or transitions. We want it to look natural and blended and flowy. And when in doubt, if anything is looking a little funny, blend, and blend again. The first few years when I started wearing makeup, I would always skip the blush. I always thought it was so unnecessary, but I'm really liking it now. I love how it brings color to the face, and it just makes you look alive, if that makes sense. And I always have to measure my lashes before I put the glue on. I have to cut them down to size because my eyes are very, very small and short. I I never really see anyone else doing it in their tutorials. I don't know if they're doing it off camera, but comment down below if you have to cut your lashes down to size too. Because it seems like lately these lashes are like so long, not lengthwise, but like the length of one corner of your eye to the other corner. They're so long, I have to cut almost half off. The look is really coming together, so I'm feeling myself a little bit. Clear gloss has really been my go-to lately. I usually either line my lips and then do the gloss, or just do plain gloss. Today we're doing plain gloss and it came out just fine. And there you have it. This is the look, guys. Super natural, no fuss, everyday look. This is my take on the soft glam. If you do anything different, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear you guys' tips and tricks. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.